Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am making wall clock and I took inspiration from Lippan art to complete this project. So I am applying white color as a base coat. Then the theme color here is green. So I coat the inner circle with the dark green color. Do stroke the brushes in one direction so to give it a good look. Now I am using a cyan color chalk paint. So I'm making a very long video after a very long time, so I hope you will enjoy it. Now I am applying light green color in the second one, as you can watch. Do like, share and subscribe. So I am making a dotting mandala here in the middle of the wall clock to give it an elegant look. Please have patience while doing it because mandala art is not a cup of tea. So now I am applying triangular mirrors with the help of Fevicol. So this is the ending, and now I am applying resin to give it a shiny look. It also provides a rich look. So as you can see, I have also applied the numbers of the wall clock. So this is the end of the video. I hope you like watching it. As you can see, it turned out to be a really good wall clock, and I've also applied battery at the back. So bye bye, and let's meet in the next video.